we are looking at how to pronounce this word. This is a word of French origin. For reference in French it is said as boudoir, boudoir. In English, however, there are two different ways of saying it, either boudoir, with an emphasis on the first syllable, boudoir. This is more the British English pronunciation. In American English, it is usually more said as boudoir, boudoir. In American English, boudoir versus boudoir. In British English, all of this from French, boudoir. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.